Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Eat like a bird. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Once, a friend of mine heard the saying "eat like a bird" and took it literally, thinking it meant to eat tiny portions of food. But the idiom actually means to eat very little, like a small bird. To eat like a bird means to eat very little. It's often used to describe a person's eating habits or to encourage someone to eat less. To remember the meaning easily, think of a small bird eating tiny portions of food. Or, think of someone eating a small salad for lunch, like a bird. Let me give you an example. My friend is trying to lose weight, so she's been eating like a bird lately. Another example is when you're at a fancy dinner party, and you don't want to overeat, so you tell the host you'll just eat like a bird. Here's one more example. I always eat like a bird before a big race, so I don't feel weighed down. Now, let's test your understanding. What does eat like a bird mean? A. To eat a lot. B. To eat very little. C. To eat like a bird. The correct answer is B. To eat very little. Congratulations if you got it right. And that's it for today, folks. Remember, if you want to encourage someone to eat less, tell them to eat like a bird.